Chapter 1.2 Science in Context. This topic is covered in the text pages 10 through 15. The scientific way of knowing is characterized by certain attitudes. These include curiosity, which is a natural inquisitiveness that leads to questions; skepticism, which is a tendency to refuse to accept explanations without evidence; open-mindedness, which is the willingness to accept different ideas even if they don't agree with current ideas; and creativity. Creativity is required to draw inferences and design experiments. Part of the scientific way of knowing is communicating new information. And one of the ways this is done is through peer review. A peer is someone who is your equal. And so to peer review a scientific article means that the articles, the publications, are reviewed by anonymous experts. They review the article before it's published. They make notes and suggestions, they critique it, and they send it back to the author with the expectation that their concerns would be addressed before the article would actually be published. And this process, publishing articles in peer-reviewed journals, allows researchers to share ideas and evaluate each other's work. This helps prevent, although does not completely prevent, bad science from being published. Scientific theories. The word theory in science has a slightly different meaning than it does in the common usage. Scientific theory is a well-tested explanation for a wide range of observations and hypotheses that enable scientists to make accurate predictions about new situations. It's not the same as the common usage of the word, where a theory means a hunch or a guess. The integration of science and society is a fruitful one. It's garnered many benefits for the human race. And using science involves understanding its context in society and its limitations. Science cannot address issues of morality or ethics. So science may be able to describe why something happens, but as to whether or not it is morally appropriate to do something, that's a question outside the realm of science. In addition, humans have biases, which means a particular preference or point of view. Science tries very hard to avoid bias, but since science is a human behavior, there's always the possibility that science and scientific inquiry can be tainted by bias. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me.